Alright guys, I'm gonna be teaching you how to make any ringtone. So go to the app store. Yep, that's right. Press that, type in ringtone maker and look for something that says ringtone maker M3 MP3 converter. Now you're gonna press open. Then you press one from your photo library. Gonna press that. Pick one you recorded or whatever, saved it. Press save at the top of your screen. And then after that, listen to the song, make sure it's the one you want. And after that, go to GarageBand, share to GarageBand. And then you're gonna press that. Now you wanna hold down on the first one. Hold down. Press share. Now press ringtone. Let me show you again. Yeah, but you're gonna press share. And press share. Ringtone. And now you pick the one you want, name of the ringtone you want. Then yeah, and then press export. Press use sound as standard ringtone. And then boom, bam, go to settings. Go to settings. Go all the way down to see something that says sound and haptics. Press that. Now you go to your ringtone, and it should be the exact one you picked the one. And yeah, that's how you do it. So, yep, you guys are welcome.